Sneezing, runny nose, sore throat, fever, and sweating are just some of the awful symptoms of a cold or flu. This period they are especially present around us. And no matter how strong our immune system is, somehow those vicious germs manage to enter our bodies and disturb our everyday routine. Instead of always running to your doctor for prescription of antibiotics, try recharging your immune system in a natural way with these amazing ingredients: raw honey, garlic, lemon, and a little cayenne pepper. This recipe is very simple to prepare, and it will do wonders for your health. Why is this combination so powerful against colds and flu? According to a study conducted by Washington State University, garlic is 100 times more effective in fighting colds and flu than antibiotics. Packed with antiviral, antioxidant, antibiotic, and antimicrobial properties, garlic is a powerful protector against colds and flu. All of garlic's components play an important role in fighting against colds, but vitamin C and the minerals like selenium and sulfur definitely have the major role. We must also mention the powerful substance allicin, which is one of garlic's most important sulfur compounds. When the garlic is chopped, the allicin is existent for just a short period of time. So let the chopped garlic sit for some time before you heat it through cooking, or before you change its pH by adding acidic food like lemon juice. This way the alliinous enzymes in garlic will have the opportunity to work on behalf of your health and help maximize garlic's potency. Honey has antimicrobial, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties that fight against bacteria, virus, and fungus and are great in treating the cold and its symptoms. It also helps to soothe the sore throat naturally and relieves irritation. With these properties, honey boosts the immune system, and its effect that a strong immune system has the strength to fight flu and colds. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C, and vitamin C is famous for boosting the immune system and also fighting colds and flu. Here is a simple recipe that you can try and fight against colds and flu. Point 1. First, wash the lemon thoroughly and cut it in half 2. Then squeeze the lemon into a small bowl or a cup. Don't throw away the half from which you extracted the lemon juice, since you'll need it for step 63. After that, chop the garlic into small chunks and let it sit aside for at least 10 minutes. Then add it to the lemon juice together with the cayenne pepper. Next, add the honey and stir all the ingredients well. 5. When it's mixed really well, pour the mixture back into the lemon half from which you extracted the lemon juice earlier. 6. Drink the entire mixture including the lemon pulp. Repeat this recipe after 4 hours with the other lemon half. Share this recipe with your friends so they can fight colds and flu too. Natasha Longo has a master's degree in nutrition and is a certified fitness and nutritional counselor. She has consulted on public health policy and procurement in England, Canada, Australia, Germany, Ireland, and Spain.